Yo, good day, believers. Gang, what's good? I hope you're good wherever it is you're watching this from. If this is your first time here, this is Gana Joshua Dalla Media Analyst, and seeing this is our pre-market analysis, which we do weekly before the market opens. We try to get our projections for the week on gold, USOIL, and the DXY. So we are guided for the week ahead. We usually go live within the week from Mondays up until Wednesdays for now. London session to analyze the chart together and trade together. So if that's something you want to explore, tap in. To keep tabs on me also, you can come to my if you like the way I analyze the chart, I want to see where I drop my trade breakdown. My little believers gang here. You could check my Telegram page and let's connect. With that being said, let's head on right straight to the chart for what we would be looking out for this week. So starting out, let's look at from this dollar index. Let's look at it from the weekly and see what we like looking out for and what price has been doing. So from last week weekly, we could see DXY, which is the strength of the dollar for those of you who don't know, had some bullish move from a level of support. We were wondering if it was going to hold or break from last week, and apparently from now, from where it is, price has broken and currently at this level of resistance right now. So what next? What would we be expecting for this week for the DXY indecision candle here right here at this level of resistance? But a whole lot is dependent on the fundamentals of what's going on the macro level between US and Iran. So currently from where we are before the weekend, US and Iran were coming to some sort of terms. This is not the first time we're hearing this though. Coming to some sort of level of agreement to kind of like end the whole thing and come to a deal, but it's still shaky. We don't know what the final like verdict is right now. But you know how it is, how volatile this thing is. We could wake up tomorrow, market open, and everything has turned from what everybody is expecting, but from what we're expecting right now is there should be some sort of like peace agreement between them. So whatever it is that becomes the outcome of this would have great impact on the market and like our buyers that would be having. But technically, we're looking at things from where we are right now. Um, for the DXY from the daily, we could see. So uh, I think price has been taking out these levels of liquidity right here. And I could see some sort of resistance here from the daily where price is. Yeah. So where is price coming from and where is price going to on DXY? That will guide us for analysis for for XAUUSD, which is our main guidance, second in command, US oil. So price is testing this level of resistance and like from what we'll be seeing, it has already started reacting because for days, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it hasn't been able to like break here. So most likely than not, we should be hoping for some sort of like bearish retracement here because price has been riding for days around this level of resistance and it has been knocking and knocking and knocking. So anytime we see 99,500 psychological level is where price is reacting from. So it's more prone to bearish retracement from where it's at. But in the case it breaks, you all know how we do it. Break a retest of this zone that has been, then we'll continue to the upside. This is the outlook for DXY, but from where it is undecided, it's at a resistance and it's trying to break. So now that being said, let's look at oil because currently what's happening with oil has great deal impact on gold because the nature of things going on has to do with major shipping routes of oil. So that has been a major deciding factor for price movement of gold lately. And last week we were hoping for more of still this guy is still in this block bullish, even though we had the red candle closing. And from fundamentals, like we expecting some bearish dump on oil because when US and Iran come to an agreement and there is peace, the price of oil will go down. But then if the reverse happens and the whole thing goes into shambles, then the price of oil will go up. But from where it is looking at, that's fundamental look of things. But right now, looking at things technically, our price from last week until price breaks this level, we are still uh, bullish until price takes out or invalidates this level here. So that's it. Anything within this range here, we are bullish on oil. Do you understand? But looking at things, it's dependent heavily on US and Iran coming to terms because I could see this trend line. It's at the third touch. So me, I don't even trust anything that is happening having to do with their peace. I'm still bullish on oil going on because I do not trust US and Iran coming to the whole thing just ending like that. The price is sitting at this level, even though it's looking, this is from our daily, and we got this low here, right here. Mhm. So highest price might look for liquidity below there to move to the upside, and that will be the reason to be coming down. So part of what we do, we identify our highs and lows, and what we are interested in transacting is either at the lows or at these highs because that's where the money is. And also we wanna like go and flow with the money. You understand? So that's how our model is, even though we use support and resistance. So looking at this, these are the two major conversations right here, this low and this low from where price is right now. And looking at things, well, on except price invalidates this one, that's when the bearish uh, will have it like the price violates this level will have a shift in structure, but so long as it's riding above here 88 500, we are good. I hope that makes sense. So me, from market open, it's obvious that price would like take out this low, then continue to the upside. But looking at things again from the daily, there's a low that's been taken off. Yes, I'm back. So from what we're seeing, so long as price is right above this price level, we're bullish because price has been bouncing off this level of resistance for like a month right now, more than a month. Anytime price gets there, it retraces. This is US oil, mind you. So looking at the look of things, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so looking at things from here, we should be expecting reactions from here that will guide us for what we do. But what we're trying to establish from oil is that when oil is going up, we'll be bearish on gold, and if oil is going down, give us indication of being bullish on gold. And from the way things are looking, it's looking more potential to the like upside. So let's see how it plays. Mind you, remember we said here this range, yeah, we bullish anything from this range. Yeah. But when this guy gets invalidated, then we would know that the trend has changed to bearish. You understand? So that's what we're gonna be looking at. Let's head on to gold and see what it got for us. So we'll start from weekly and see what weekly gave us. So last week's candle, gold is currently at a level of support right now. So this liquidity has been taken. Right. This side price is still closing within this range right here. And here is a level of support here from our weekly. Yeah, so this level is a level of support, and from the candle we are seeing, let's move on to the daily. So most likely than not, I should be expecting some uh, I don't know at this point, because we want to see what happened at this level. So let's go to the daily and understand. So gold right now is looking uh, bearish from where it is looking at, because why? This level is a strong level of support from previous week, 4,500. But then last week, as you could see, for the very long year since star price started riding above this level with the body from 30th of March, we haven't had anybody close here until here. Do you understand? So that's giving us indication that there's potential to the downside from this price level upward to around 4,100 from this body closure, but we're not sure yet, because this level at the same time is a strong level of support to below this 4,500 up until the 4,470 range. It's a strong level of support. So moving here, like you see, price action has been messy for the past week, ranging more ranging markets than like trending markets. But from what we'll be seeing is like price is fighting its way to recover to the upside from this 4,500, but like there's a whole lot of resistance above it that's keeping price down like since last week. So from where we are looking at things right now, we are more bearish on gold than not. Else otherwise, we'll be looking to the bulls like since May 17th, 15th, price has been riding below 4,590, below 4,600 basically. 4,600. Price has been riding below 4,600 since the beginning of this month. So for gold, market open this week, we are just looking at headlines more likely than not. So we are doing our fundamentals. We are looking at our technicals as well as much as possible. As much as possible. So from where we are at, it's like price is wanting to recover to the upside. For now, before the news, I'm bearish. For the hopes of peace, price will be bullish on gold, but me, I don't trust anything that has to do with their peace deals. I know in few days it's gonna get into shambles, so no need to like get our hopes up or anything like that for any peace deal between US and Iran, because President Trump could switch the whole market up from just a tweet while looking closely. So right now, watch out for this price level 4,500. How price reacts there is gonna be a determining factor to the direction of price for the week. So with that being said, keep tabs with me, follow me on all my socials to be in check for any updates that I might be dropping. Price action has been messy and rangy. This week are we gonna have more of like clean price action, price moving like directly to the upside, So stay tuned with me, and if how I see the market makes sense to you, let's connect. This is my page where I drop all my trade ideas to the community. And I would like to tell you guys about the Forex community too. Forex community is a community on Discord. You could send me a message so that I send it because the link expires. So Forex community is a community of a house of uh, both crypto traders and forex trader under one roof in the Solana blockchain, trying to see how like to build an ecosystem. So I'll tell you for free, the supportive community. If you're a trader, like just starting out or like trading on your own, if you wanna connect with like minds of people, I recommend Forex community too. You could check them on Twitter, you could check them on X, that's where they are more active. So it's a helpful community to upcoming traders because it gives you that visibility you need, that credibility, and also like support you need in terms of knowledge wise, in terms of even access to finance. Forex does that, so check them out. You thank me, especially if you're a trader, a crypto trader, a forex trader, a commodities trader, a stock trader. Just tap in. So that will be all for now. I remain Gana Joshua Dalami, the analyst, and follow me for more updates like this and how we read the market. So see you on the next one. I'm gonna be going live as much this week, so follow my YouTube, turn notifications on so that when we are live you could like get to connect. But for now, stay safe and peace out.